In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and correct a payment in QuickBooks Online that has already been deposited. Maybe you caught a typo in the amount, selected the wrong payment method, or used the wrong deposit account or date. The good news is, you can fix it directly in QuickBooks Online, and the system will update the related deposit for you. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to qbointuit.com. Then sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Click Sales, then choose Invoices. If you prefer to locate the transaction by the customer, you can go to Customers instead. The goal is to find the invoice that's tied to the payment you want to correct. Open the invoice by clicking it. On the invoice page, scroll down to the Payment section. You'll see the payment listed there, and it will show as deposited. Click that deposited payment to open it. This takes you to the payment window where the details live. In the payment window, click Edit. This puts the transaction in an editable state so you can make the necessary corrections. You can adjust the amount if the original entry was off, switch the payment method if, for example, it was recorded as cash instead of a card, change the deposit to account to reflect where the funds truly went, or update the date to match the actual payment date. Take a moment here to double-check each field. Even small adjustments can affect reports and bank reconciliations, so it's worth confirming you've got it right. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you're moving on to another payment. After you save, QuickBooks will automatically update the original deposit and reconcile the corrected payment with your accounts. This means you won't need to undeposit or recreate anything. The system handles that behind the scenes, keeping your books consistent. If you return to the invoice, you should see the updated payment details reflected there. And if you're reviewing your sales or banking activity later, the corrected information will flow through to your reports, ensuring accuracy across your records. That's how you edit and correct a payment that is already deposited in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.